Hey there, I'm Vrushali and today's video is going to be everything about press-on nails. So what are press-on nails? What all is included in the kit? Are they safe to use? How to apply and how to remove them? How to clean them? And everything regarding press-on nails will be covered in this particular video. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So what are press-on nails? Press-on nails are acrylic nails or fake nails to be stuck on your natural nail surface, which is the nail bed, with the help of liquid glue or the glue gel tabs. You may also call them as temporary nail extensions, and yes, press-ons are a very good alternative to permanent gel extensions or the acrylic extensions. So if you don't want your nails to get damaged due to permanent nail extensions, yet you want long nails and high shine nails, press-ons is the key. These nails are hand painted using professional gel polishes, so they are long lasting and are reusable multiple times. Here I have few press-on nail sets for you to see, and this is how it will fit on your nail surface. Next question which I get very often is, are they safe to use? So I would say absolutely yes. It also depends on how you prep your nails, what kind of glue you use. Like the gel glue tabs are more gentle on your nails than the liquid glue. Hence, I do not recommend a liquid glue for the kids press-on nails application. I usually keep press-on nails in the sizes small, medium and large for a set of 12 nails, or you may also customize it as per your nail measurements. And I also have full set of 20 nails wherein any 10 nails will fit you perfectly. Next question is, what all things are included in the press-on nails kit? In the kit you will get a small orange wood cuticle pusher, glue tabs, a mini filer, alcohol wipes, and set of 12 or set of 20 nails, and also an instruction manual. Now how to apply the press-on nails? Okay, for that you have to trim your nails short. Okay, after cutting your nails, then you will have to push back your cuticles like so. Just push them back very gently, after which you will have to buff the nail surface very slightly buff your nail surface. You don't have to file your nails vigorously, you will end up damaging them. Just very lightly buff your nails. This buffing of the nail surface is recommended only to adults. For the kids press on nails application, I don't recommend this step. Okay, after that you have to take this wipe and just wipe off the dust from your nail surface. Then secondly, if you wish to use the glue tabs, you have to check this way, check the size of the tab, okay, which tab is suitable for your nails. Select the tabs and keep them ready. You have to remove this film over here. Okay, select the tabs, keep them ready, select the nails and keep them ready as well. This is for my thumb, this one is my index. This is fitting my index finger very nicely, right? Now there are two ways. Okay, you can directly apply this on your nail surface, or the easiest way I'll tell you, you can apply this on the inside of the nail like so. Okay, and with the help of a pencil or anything, okay, just press it nicely. There should not be any air pocket inside. Okay, press it nicely, then just very carefully, okay, very slowly peel this off. This will come as a single piece like so. Peel this off and hold your nail. You have to place the cuticle side first. Okay, the cuticle side first, as close to your cuticle, and just press on it. Press on it nicely. Okay, this is how you can apply the remaining nails. Now for the liquid glue, you have to apply the glue directly on the inside of the nail. Okay, put it just a teeny tiny amount on the inside of the nail, and then same way place it and just press it very firmly. Press it for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, till the nail is securely in place and the glue sets. Okay, with the liquid glue you get much natural finish. Okay, this way. Now in the next method I'll be using the glue tab as well as the liquid glue. So first what I'm doing is I am just pressing it nicely. Okay, then I'll remove this very gently and I'll put some glue, liquid glue on that, and then I will place it this way. Just press it. If you have applied the nails using the liquid glue, you will get a dry surface on the inside of your nail. Okay, which is difficult to remove. You have to buff it the inside this way, or you can just use a small piece of sandpaper. I don't have a sandpaper handy right now, but you may use a sandpaper and file that off. Okay, but if you use the glue tab inside of the nail and then use the liquid glue, you will get a much stronger bond, and also you don't have to remove the dry glue from the nail. Okay, so this is how you apply the nails. Here is a final look of the press-on nails application. These nails are just so easy to apply at the comfort of your home. So if you are running late for a party and you don't have time for your manicure, you can just carry the set in your purse and you can apply them while in the car. It's that simple. Next most important question is, how long do they stay? Now, the stay of the nails, they depend entirely on your lifestyle, how well you prep your nails, and which type of glue you use for the nails. Like if you use the glue tabs, your nails will last for about a day or two. But if you use the liquid glue, which gives a much stronger bond, it will last for up to a week or even 10 days. Doing dishes and washing clothes or such kind of household work is not recommended with press-on nails, especially if you are using long nails. Next, the most important question is, are they reusable? Absolutely yes, these press-on nails are reusable multiple times. If you use the gel glue tabs, you can reuse them for more than 7 to 8 times. And if you use the liquid glue, you can reuse them for about 3 to 4 times. I generally recommend to use the nails with the glue tabs first, and for your later use you can use the liquid glue. This way they last longer and you have multiple reuses with them. Here I would like to clear another point, that the nails are reusable and not the glue. That is all about the stay of the press-on nails. Now how to order them. So to order press-on nails from me, you have to log into your Instagram. Let's nail it _ Vrushali, and you have to just drop me a message with the screenshot of the design that you wish to have. You can have a look at the Instagram highlights. All the details about the press-on nails, the catalog, the entire catalog is mentioned in the highlights. Alternatively, if you don't have an Instagram account, you may also contact me on my FB page. Let's nail it nail art. You may drop me a message over there as well. We also have toenails which are available as set of 20 nails from which any 10 nails will fit you perfectly. We also give bridal packages, so you may contact us for more details. Now let's move on to how to clean them and how to store them for the next use. So for the removal, you will need a bowl full of hot water. Water needs to be slightly hot so that you are able to dip your fingers in it. Alternatively, you may also add a drop of liquid wash and any oil of your choice. Soaking your fingers in the hot water for about 5 to 6 minutes. For if you're using the nails with the liquid glue, you may have to dip your nails for much longer, say about 10 minutes. Then with the help of the pointed end of the orange wood stick, just slightly lift up your nail from the sides and your nail will just pop off. If you're finding it difficult to remove the nails, just soak in your hands in warm water for a little longer. If you have used the glue stamp stickers, you have to remove the sticky layer from the inside of the nail with the help of the stick, and then wash your nails in the same water and pat them dry using a dry towel. If you have used the liquid glue, you may have to buff or sandpaper the inside of the nail surface, then wash your nails and pat dry and place them back in the box for the next use. So this is it guys. I hope I have answered all the doubts and questions regarding the press on nails. Still, if you have any more doubts, please do comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel and also support me on Instagram and Facebook. So have a good day and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.